Unlocking the power of your vehicle with Yendo. How Yendo is changing the game. Hey everyone, I've got something exciting to share with you today about a fintech company called Yendo. If you've been following my channel, you know I've talked about them before. They're really shaking things up by changing how people access equity in their vehicles. So what does that actually mean? Well, Yendo offers a credit card that can give you up to $10,000 based on the equity in your vehicle. This is a big deal, especially for those of us who might have a paid-off car but need some extra cash. Solving a real problem. I've heard from several people over the past couple of years who were struggling to tap into the equity they had in their cars. They didn't want to go to those title loan companies that charge crazy high interest rates. Now, with Yendo, you can use the equity in your vehicle without getting stuck in a trap of debt. For example, if you own your car outright or have built up some equity, even in a finance vehicle, Yendo lets you use that value to help you out financially. You're not just accessing cash, you're building your credit at the same time, too. Building credit while you borrow. Yendo reports to major credit agencies, so every payment you make helps boost your credit score. Instead of borrowing from predatory companies that charge ridiculous rates, sometimes 3 or 400%, you can have a better option. Let's say you run into some financial trouble. With Yendo, the max you can borrow is $10,000. That's a much safer amount than what those other lenders might offer. Plus, they don't even do a hard credit check. It doesn't matter how low your credit score is. If you have a vehicle, you can get access to funds. Available across the country. Great news! Yendo is now available in most states across the country. If you're interested, there's a link in the description below this video. Getting a Yendo card could really help you manage your finances better while still being able to use your vehicle's value. Imagine having a credit card you can use anywhere, and it actually helps you build credit at the same time. Take action. So, if you need access to extra cash and have a car that's paid off or has equity, consider checking out Yendo. It's a smart way to utilize your vehicle and avoid the pitfalls of high-interest loans. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to managing your money. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and share it with someone else who might benefit. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.